Unlocking the secrets of your TikTok experience starts with understanding every corner of your account, including who you've chosen to block. Whether you're managing your digital space, prioritizing your privacy, or just curious about past interactions, knowing how to see your blocked list is a powerful step in taking charge of your social media presence. First, let's talk about why you might block someone on TikTok. Maybe someone's comments were making you uncomfortable, or perhaps you wanted to keep your content away from prying eyes. Blocking is your way of setting boundaries and keeping your feed positive. But what happens if you want to review, manage, or even unblock someone in the future? That's where your blocked list comes in. To find this list, open your TikTok app and head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your profile is your personal command center on TikTok, showcasing your videos, bio, and all the customization options that help you control your experience. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner of your profile page. This is your gateway to the app's settings and privacy features. Tap on these lines to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is packed with options to help you fine-tune your TikTok journey. Now, within Settings and Privacy, find the option labeled Privacy. Tap on it, and you'll see a range of tools meant to help protect your information and manage your interactions. Here's where things get exciting. Scroll down until you spot Blocked Accounts. This is the treasure trove you're searching for. Tap on Blocked Accounts, and you'll see a list of every user you've blocked on TikTok. Each profile on your blocked list serves as a reminder of your power to curate your online environment. You'll see their usernames, profile pictures, and a handy unblock option next to each one. If you've had a change of heart or simply want to review who's on this list, this is your moment to take action. Unblocking is as simple as tapping Unblock. TikTok will instantly restore their ability to view your profile and interact with your content, unless you decide otherwise. Managing your blocked list is about more than just controlling who can see your content. It's about making TikTok a place where you feel comfortable, inspired, and free to express yourself. Maybe you blocked someone during a heated moment and now want to give them another chance. Or maybe you're cleaning up your list to keep things organized. Whatever your reason, TikTok puts the control directly in your hands. At Famety, we understand that privacy and control are at the heart of a positive social media experience. That's why we encourage users to regularly review their blocked lists, not just on TikTok, but across all platforms. Your sense of safety and comfort is crucial for authentic engagement and growth. When you feel secure, you're more likely to create, share, and connect with confidence. Remember, blocking and unblocking aren't permanent decisions. Social media is dynamic, just like your relationships and preferences. If you ever need to revisit your choices, TikTok makes it easy. And if you ever need help managing your account or optimizing your presence, Famety is here for you, offering expert support, engagement services, and a commitment to helping you make the most of every platform. So take a moment to explore your blocked list. Reclaim your power, nurture your online environment, and keep your TikTok experience uniquely yours. With Famety by your side, you're always in control, ready to thrive, connect, and shine on every social platform